Probably want to come over here, bud.
Come on, Jack. Come on.
Are you ready?
Pass.
Pour that vinegar. You ready, Sam? Pour it in there. Pour it in fast. Alright. Whoa.
Whoa!
Look at it.
Holy!
It's red lava.
Yes, but
No, it doesn't need any more though. It's full.
I want to have some more.
Oh.
That's crazy.
I want to do some more in it.
Okay, well, as soon as it stops, we can do it again.
First, we just need to wait it
I
stop.
think you need to put a lot more of that powder in it.
Yeah. Oh, all right, bud. We gotta let it drain out now so I can.
What
put
is
more in there.
explode?
It's hard to get it in there.
Yeah, that's why you're supposed to have a funnel.
Yeah, a funnel would be good.
I thought. Put a lot in it this time.
All right, try it again.
I don't have any more.
Oh, more vinegar.
Vinegar. We need food coloring. This is gonna be awesome. This time I'm really gonna do that. I need to put on my goggles. I might get a little out of control with this one. So thank you. Jack, thank you. This is science.
Although the result of my actions proved positive, the
See if it does stop from it. See if it does it.
A little more.
Should be erupting better.
Maybe I just need all it.
Sophie doesn't want officers to look like
A penny once and a nickel ten, a diamond for 10. I'm going to try to buy. I'm going to try to.
Mr. Baker,
What happened?
I stay down.
It was explode.
Here comes some more. Now it's erupting.
I'm gonna keep my goggles on.